Scott Holmes again here at MarineMax in Greenville. Excited to show you some of the more of the Yamaha inventory we have for 2024. This is the Yamaha AR195 single engine jet boat, traditional style bow rider with the Watersports tower. Includes the single axle trailer. Nice red hull bottom color with a white top accent and matching tower. Yamaha's famous transom seating and lounge area. Let's climb inside and see everything that this 19-foot boat has to offer. You've got a nice dipped area here as a transom walkthrough with a removable seat cushion. Full wraparound seating to accommodate a lot of guests. Removable cockpit table. Dedicated cooler storage. Take a look at the console with the digital display. Phone charger. Bluetooth stereo. Flip-up bolster on the captain's seat. Nice ski locker storage, covered with snap-down marine vinyl. Again, another huge compartment for storage, all the beach bags for all your friends who are going to want to come out in the boat with you. We do have the bow cushion in right now that is removable, but this gives you a nice, huge, large bow area to recline and relax in. As always, Yamaha boats are loaded with standard features, great ingenuity, functional layouts, and extremely stylish and reliable. And we've had the most we've had in stock in a long time. Years ago, there was waiting lists to get these boats. Now they're available to see, test drive, and take your time to check out here at MarineMax in Greenville. Really hope you guys can come see us and let you show you everything that these Yamaha boats have to offer. Thank you.